how to customize Facebook shortcuts. Head over right here to the three lines, and then from in there you can see in here all the shortcuts that you have. You can click on the see more right here, and then you can see all of them. So what you can do is you can click on your gear icon, and then from there scroll down until you can see in here this tab bar option. So you can change your tab bar, you can manage your notification dots, and a lot more. So from in there, let's head over and search in here for shortcut. So let's search in here for that. And then from in there, you can see this content preferences and a lot more. So when you click on this content preferences, you can add or reconnect some things right here as well. So let's head back right here. And then all of these things right here, this has been added, can also be added right here on your tab bar. So what you can do is you can head over and add, for example, 30 serif tab bar if you would like to in that from there earlier. So this is how you customize Facebook shortcuts. Hope we help.